Hi guys, welcome to Manware Education. In this video, I will discuss about Savitribai Phule Pune University exam preparation and Maharashtra CET exam preparation. In this video, I will also discuss about Savitribai Phule Pune University. I will also discuss about Maharashtra CET cell. After that, I will discuss about major courses of Savitribai Phule University, and with that, which are the entrances of Maharashtra CET you can give, and how you will balance the preparation of graduation year exam preparation as well as Maharashtra CET exam preparation. So all these things I will discuss in this video. So before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for Maharashtra CET entrance examinations such as Law CET, MCA CET, B.Ed CET, MBA CET. So you can join to our batches for 2022 and 23. In this you will get live classes, books, shortcut trick, doubt classes, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of yours will be solved by our faculties, 10,000 plus question for the practice purpose, and mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting guys? Book your seat now. Call on 8828581455, or you can also visit to our website manwareedu.com. So now guys, let us discuss about very first about the Savitribai Phule Pune University. So the Savitribai Phule Pune University, formerly known as University of Pune, it was established in 10th February 1949. So this is the building of Savitribai Phule University, and it is spreaded over a vast area of 411 acres. It has very big and huge campus. 3 district colleges are associated, mainly Pune, Nasik and Ahmednagar. So 3 district के colleges associated है सावित्रीबाई फुले यूनिवर्सिटी से, and total affiliated colleges are 811. Guys, this is a research based data. It may change some numbers. Okay, so total 811 colleges are affiliated to Savitribai Phule University. So this is about the Savitribai Phule Pune University. Now let us discuss about Maharashtra CET. Okay, so Maharashtra CET cell, it was established by Government of Maharashtra, has established the state common entrance test cell, that is nothing but CET cell. It was under the Admission Regulatory Authority. Okay, so ARA ने established किया by the help of Government of Maharashtra. After that, MHCET cell conducts more than 15 CET examination. It includes Law CET, MCA CET, B.Ed CET, MBA CET, Engineering CET, Pharmacy CET, Agriculture CET, M.Ed CET, Fine Arts CET. Many CET exams are conducted by CET cell. Now, all the colleges of Maharashtra state are affiliated to CET cell. Yes, those colleges who accept the Maharashtra CET scores. Suppose MBA college is accepting Maharashtra CET scores, so they are affiliated to Maharashtra CET cell. Similarly, B.Ed, MCA, Law, it is there. Okay. After this, mainly colleges are Law, MBA, MCA, B.Ed, Engineering, Pharmacy, Agriculture, Fine Arts and Architecture colleges are affiliated to Maharashtra CET cell. Okay. Now this is all about Maharashtra CET cell. Let us discuss about major courses in Savitribai Phule Pune University. So courses, very first is BA, that is Bachelor of Arts, BCom and BSc. The BCom, that is Bachelor of Commerce, and BSc, that is Bachelor of Science. After this, it also offers BBA and BBM program. Now what do you mean by BBA? That is Bachelor in Business Administration, and BBM, Bachelor in Business Management. Okay. Now after this, it also offers BCA and BCS course, that is BCA is nothing but Bachelor in Computer Application, and BCS is Bachelor in Computer Sciences. Okay, so these courses are there. Now after this, MHCET exam preparation. So you can give Maharashtra Law CET while preparing for these courses. मतलब अगर आप SY में है या TY में है, you can give Maharashtra Law CET, and the eligibility is 45% in the graduation you should have. After this, you can write also MBA CET if you are pursuing BBA or BBM. Okay, so you can write MBA CET and you can go for post graduation. Okay, and you can start your preparation early whenever you are in SY and TY, second year of graduation and third year of graduation. At that time, if you start early, then you have very high chances to get selected in the top colleges. Like if I talk about MBA, then JBIMS is there, Sydenham is there, Wellinger is there, and many more colleges are there for who accept Maharashtra CET score. Okay, now you can write Maharashtra MCA CET examination also. If you are preparing for BCA, that is Bachelor in Computer Application, or BCS, that is Bachelor in Computer Sciences, okay, then you can write Maharashtra MCA CET examination. With that, you can get into a MCA college and you can get into a computer application field which has very vast scope. Okay, now after this you can write B.Ed CET examination. While doing these all courses, you can write B.Ed CET examination. The eligibility is only you need to have around 45 to 50% in the graduation. Okay, if you want to become a teacher, then you need to give Maharashtra B.Ed CET examination, and while doing these all courses you can prepare for B.Ed CET examination entrance, and you can give and you can do the B.Ed. Guys, let me tell you one thing. If you want to pursue law, MBA, MCA, B.Ed, then you need to give Maharashtra B.Ed CET, Maharashtra MCA CET, MBA CET or law CET examination. It is mandatory. If you are thinking that कि ये एग्ज़ाम दिए बगैर भी एडमिशन हो जाएगा आपका, then it is not there. Okay, you need to give these all entrance examination, and for that you can join our online and live classes. Now start preparation early from graduation year. Again I am telling you कि अगर आपने जल्दी स्टार्ट किया तो आपके चांसेस ज़्यादा बन जाते हैं अच्छे कॉलेजेस में सिलेक्शन के लिए. एंड यू नीड टू बैलेंस द टाइम विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू महाराष्ट्र CET एज वेल एज ग्रेजुएशन, बिकॉज ये जो आपका सेकेंड ईयर थर्ड ईयर का टाइम जो होता है वो बहुत क्रूशियल होता है. इन दैट टाइम यू कैन थिंक अबाउट योर करियर, वेयर यू वांट टू गो. ओके, सो वेदर यू वांट टू गो फॉर MBA, MCA, B.Ed or law, and other courses are also there. So you can think and you can start your preparation early. So that's all in this video. If you want to prepare for Maharashtra CET entrance examinations such as law, B.Ed, MCA, MBA for year 2022 and 23, so you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number. Our team will help you. If you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website manuredu.com. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Guys, link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.